guys, what's going on? Back to another video, and today this is part 2 of the pack opening. 2 more packs, potentially 2 more, so 4. And you guys, if you haven't, go to the other video. Also make sure to like and subscribe, please. It would help me a lot, and I will do way more of these. So let's get into it. Yes, why am I opening so many of these? Because I got a full box. I'm actually sort of near to the end. Why did I just show you? Okay. There's the code. Pause if you need. Should be on. Oh. Okay. Bruh, why do I have some back to front cards? Back to front cards, mate. Also, tell me if there's a trick to do it, please. Here we are. Keylor Navas. That's a nice card. Ousmane Dembele. Jimenez. Oh. Star player Sommer. I've already got him. Damn. I was excited. I think I've got all the star players. Gundogan. Also, peace out, dude. Got COVID. But good job. Hopefully you survived through it. Yes. Celtic. Eduardo. At the moment, I've opened, 15 packs now? 1 Celtic, something like that. Let's go. Hakeem Ziyech, Chelsea card. So far, I've got Ben Chilwell in a Leicester kit, Ziyech, and Werner. 3 of those insane signings. It's a nice pack opening, man. Oh, base card wise, Leo was nice. Sommer, nice card to pull. Just at the wrong time. There's the code. I won't go over to do that. Got some back to front cards. Let's go. Zoiba. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I butcher your name. Probably did. Child Harry. Yeah. Child Harry. The Leicester man. Ooh, Matt Hummels. My Dortmund side is going really good. Let's go. They've actually done it. It's Leroy Sané, but in Bayern. Fair play. Fair play, tops. Thank you. Oh, let's go. Rising Star. De Ketelaere. Club Brugge. I think that's how you pronounce it. Rising Star. Man of the match, Asia. I'm going to do Aya. Man of the match. Last card, Sissoko. It's good. Let me see where we are up to in cards. You know what, guys? I'm going to do it, but it's probably all for tonight. Hope we pull 100 club. Well, in the last video, we did pull a very insane card, so you never know. Could do it again. There's a code if you want. Pause again. Pause the video if you want. Okay, got some back to front cards. Let's go. Oh, man of the match. Now base card. AR. That's lovely. Virgil van Dijk. We pulled him before. Now we got him. Mason Mount. Love that photo, Mason. Keep on doing it. I love it. Weigl from Benfica. Lemar I'm pretty sure the transfer is broken down from him going to Arsenal. First rare card, Rising Star, the American Adams. I love it. Last card, finally we get a hat-trick hero, Rodrigo. Nice cards. I could do this all night, but gotta make them last. Well, I'm not really making them last, but anyways. That's the code. Where is it? Here. Turum. I like to call him Thurum, but some people say Turum. I'm gonna say Thurum though. Sorry. Always called him that. Bobby Firmino. Let's go. Ibrahima Konate. Yeah, Liverpool was pretty hard to get before. Grimaldo. Isn't he at Barca? Or is he linked to Barca? Don't know. Wait. Yeah, he always played there. Real Madrid, let's go. Marcelo. Which one did I pick for? Okay. Already have it. Rising Star Frimpong. Double. Man of the match, Thuram. Nice. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.